लिटरली आई स्वेयर जब कहते हैं कि बचपन का सपना पूरा हुआ, इट इज एग्जैक्टली दैट फॉर मी, बिकॉज Disney and Pixar is all that I've grown up watching, and you know these movies people say कि बच्चों की picture है, but then when you watch it as an adult for the second time you actually understand so much more, and especially Inside Out 2. I think my favorite lesson from this film, actually from part 1, was that हम सोचते हैं कि हमें हमेशा पॉजिटिव रहना है, खुश रहना है, जॉय 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 सब कहते हैं कि दैट्स द मोस्ट इम्पॉर्टेंट इमोशन, बट जॉय डजंट कम आउट until all the other emotions are there with it as well. And I think that's what makes us human, and as Vikram sir said, everyone, you know, माँ बाप बच्चे, everyone goes through this. It's the most relatable film in the world, and it was just such a pleasure and a joy to be a part of this film.
Ananya is like a roller coaster of emotions, so I'd love to ask you कि अभी जो हुआ था पिछले साल, तो उस दौर में से कौन से ऐसे इमोशंस थे जो चैनल करने पड़े थे राइली को इस दौर के लिए?
I mean, my only thing was when they asked me to play Riley, I was like, my voice just cracked. Like last year, I don't sound like a kid anymore. So वो थोड़ा tough था to get the little kid voice out. But the main emotion that I felt, I think, to play Riley was joy. I needed to keep the inner child alive, so joy.
You know what I loved about Inside Out when it first released is that उस दौर में in 2015, you spoke about mental health like nobody else did to us. So I want to give Inside Out a round of applause because it was so amazing. I want to ask you, जब emotional खिचड़ी होती है तो क्या होता है? Okay, do you channel a time of your life when there was an emotional खिचड़ी?
ये सभी होता है मेरे साथ, हर रोज ही होता है, इमोशनल खिचड़ी चल रही है मेरे दिमाग में. पर एज आई सेड एट द स्टार्ट कि इट्स इम्पोर्टेंट टू फील व्हाट यू आर फीलिंग. आई डोंट थिंक जैसे आपने ट्रेलर में देखा दे ट्राई टू सप्रेस सर्टेन फीलिंग्स एंड दैट्स नेवर राइट. सो आई डोंट थिंक यू शुड सप्रेस एनीथिंग. अगर आपको सैडनेस फील हो रहा है तो सैड फील करो, अगर आप एम्बैरेस्ड हो तो आप एम्बैरेस्ड हो, एंड जस्ट फील व्हाटएवर यू आर फीलिंग एंड इवेंचुअली दैट वेव विल राइड.
Fantastic. Of course, there are lots of emotions, and there are new emotions in Inside Out too. I saw anxiety bringing a bunch of bags and dropping them, and then inside me I was just
She's never gonna leave it.
Yeah, like also very familiar. Thanks so much, Bikram. And then there was, of course, embarrassment, who's my cutest. So I'm going to ask you, most relatable emotions for you from Inside Out 2?
Definitely disgust and embarrassment for sure. I think I'm like dressed like embarrassment today.
Not at all, not at all. But I must ask you, if your friends were emotions, who would which emotion be?
Ooh, Suhana would definitely be joy for sure. Shania would be anger because she used to say don't angry me when we were little. And I would say maybe Ori is like disgust. I would say Ori is always like, you know how it is.
Renito, Renito. Absolutely.
अनन्या, मैं जानना चाहता हूँ कि जब हम खुद किसी फिल्म में काम करते हैं और खुद उसकी डबिंग करते हैं तो हमें पता होता है कि वो राइट इमोशन क्या है, हमने क्या डायलॉग बोला है और कैसे लिप सिंक करना है. लेकिन जब हम एक ऐसे किरदार के लिए डब करते हैं जो कि एक कार्टून कैरेक्टर है, बहुत पॉपुलर है, तो ये एक्सपीरियंस कितना डिफिकल्ट था आपके लिए या आसान था, क्योंकि ये आपके लिए नया था? तो पहले मैं ये जानना चाहूँगा.
आई थिंक जब मैं कैरेक्टर के लिए करती हूँ जो मैंने खुद प्ले किया है, बहुत ओवर थिंकिंग होती है उस टाइम, यू नो, कि हमें बैक स्टोरी के बारे में सोचना है. हमने उस दिन यू नो जब हम सेट पे थे हमने क्या इमोशन पिच किया था, बहुत यू नो फिनेस होता है उसमें. और व्हेन आई वाज डबिंग फॉर दिस मैंने कोशिश की कि मैं वो लाऊं, बट व्हेन आई रियलाइज दैट आई एम प्लेइंग अ टीनेज गर्ल आई हैव टू जस्ट थिंक ऑफ दैट कि मैं कैसी थी जब व्हेन आई वाज अ टीनेजर, मेरी वॉइस कैसी थी, व्हेन आई वाज फीलिंग सर्टेन इमोशंस क्या निकलता था. एंड या आई थिंक रिमेंबरिंग जस्ट द एज ऑफ द कैरेक्टर एंड जितना भी आप रिसर्च कर सकते हो, लाइक आई वॉच्ड इनसाइड आउट द फर्स्ट पार्ट अगेन to get a little bit backstory of first, but that was as much as I could do. पर मुझे actually बहुत मजा आया. I felt very free. I wasn't tied into कि मुझे ये करना है वो करना है. I felt very free.
और अगर मैं आपके फेवरेट कार्टून कैरेक्टर्स की बात करूं, बचपन से कौन से कैरेक्टर्स देख के आप बड़ी हुई, किन्हें बहुत ज्यादा आपने एंजॉय किया है?
मुझे फाइंडिंग नीमो बहुत पसंद है और मुझे लायन किंग बहुत पसंद है, पर मुझे स्कार बहुत पसंद है लायन किंग में. मुझे उसकी बैक स्टोरी जाननी है कि स्कार के साथ क्या हुआ था जब वो बच्चा था.
हाय अनन्या, मेरा सवाल आपसे है कि खासकर पिछली जनरेशन they had totally forgotten the outdoor games. They want to sit in a particular place. They are watching mobiles, electronic games and all that. तो ऐसे बच्चों के लिए डिज्नी की फिल्म्स किस तरह से हेल्प कर सकती है कि you know they will grow mentally as well. थोड़ा स्ट्रेस उनका कम हो जाए, और कौन से ऐसे कैरेक्टर्स हैं रियली इन्फ्लुएंस्ड ऑन यू?
ऑफ कोर्स आई थिंक जैसे आपने कहा कि आजकल वो बच्चे घर पर बैठते हैं, फिल्म देखते हैं, तो अगर फिल्में देख रहे हैं तो आई होप ऐसी फिल्में देखें जहाँ वो कुछ सीख सकते हैं लाइफ के बारे में, क्योंकि आई रिमेंबर मैंने ये पिक्चर देखी थी जब मैं अमेरिका में थी और मैं मेरी बेस्ट फ्रेंड के साथ मैंने देखी थी, सुहाना के साथ, एंड आई थिंक आई वाज 17 years old, और मुझे बहुत प्यारी फिल्म लगी, आई फेल वेरी इमोशनल, बहुत कनेक्ट हुआ। तो आई होप कि जो युवा पीढ़ी है, जो बच्चे हैं आजकल के, दे वॉच दिस फिल्म बिकॉज दे अंडरस्टैंड सो मच अबाउट लाइफ एंड कैरेक्टर्स दैट हैव इन्फ्लुएंस्ड मी, कार्टून, what did someone say something? I think like I can't think of one. Do you have I think characters that have influenced, I'm trying to think, there's so many. No, I think it's more like Simba, who had to, fight for himself and to make his place in the world. Yeah, and so people had expectations from him to just be his own person. Yeah, Simba.
So let's play a fun game because
Okay.
that's why we're here. So it's pretty self-explanatory. There are all of these emotions on this board. You're going to spin the wheel as many times as you like. At some point we will stop and we might actually get your friends to come up on stage and do some of this. Look closely. Alright?
Okay.
So let's do it once and then I'll ask you a question. Alright, there she's doing it.
Worst spin ever.
The next one's going to be a little more energetic, hopefully.
Stop.
Stop!
Not
Stop!
stopping.
Stop! Okay, anxiety, anger, sadness, joy, fear, envy, ennui. Okay. Is she going to actually stop it with her hand? Envy! Alright, okay.
What
So,
is that?
talk to us about envy. Envy, Irsha, is that right? Okay.
The last time was last night, जब मैं बहुत स्ट्रिक्ट डाइट पर हूँ और मेरे सारे दोस्त बटर चिकन खा रहे थे, मुझे बहुत एनवी हुआ था। So,
I can
envy.
imagine. That's a horrible feeling.
Yeah.
Did they actually video call you? How do you
They
know?
were with me. I
Oh!
could smell the butter
Oh,
chicken.
no, that's
Imagine.
horrible.
Yes, और फिर उसके बाद मूंग दाल का हलवा भी आया and I was just like,
और मैं खा रही हूँ
बस बहन।
रागी की भाकरी.
Yes.
Thank you very much.
so envy for sure.
Alright, go for it.
I'm not strong.
Come on, let's do it. Oh, that was a better spin. Okay, the thing is that when you spin it hard, it takes longer for it to
Just stop. Yeah, should sing a song.
Yeah. And oh, what fun!
Oh, like right now. Oh, जब Paps मेरे फोटो ले रहे थे बाहर, I tripped a little bit and I had to hold on to Vikram sir, so that was a bit embarrassing.
That was a bit embarrassing.
Yeah.
Thank you so much. And one more.
Last one. And then some of my friends are gonna do it.
Come on, are you ready?
I think these two were the main ones. Why did I say disgust? Okay. Did I say disgust already?
No.
Disgust.
Disgust.
तो मेरा एक छोटा बच्चा आया है, my doggy Riot, और मुझे हर रोज उसकी सुसु पोटी साफ करनी है. तो little disgust is there, but lots of प्यार is also.
I love it. She was so good with this. Give her a round of applause, guys. That was awesome.
तो मुझे अकेले नहीं खेलना. I want to nominate
हाँ जी.
a contestant.
Go for it.
Nayandeep.
Nayandeep, come on.
Oh wow!
How do I have it?
That
I'm
happened.
cheating. Okay, anxiety. Talk to us about, this really talked about emotion.
So a lot of people actually know because I put it out a few years ago, जब COVID चल रहा था, that I actually suffer from anxiety, and I have this issue that because COVID triggered that emotion in me, I have a fear of losing a loved one. Touch wood, I haven't, but that fear is very strong, and it gives you a lot of anxiety. I've been through multiple anxiety attacks during COVID because of whatever I was reading. So that's one, and I won't lie, but parso I had an anxiety attack. I'm not gonna name that person a PR, but I had a fight with that person, and not you. I had a fight with that person, and I felt terribly small, and I was almost gonna. I wrote something really like out of anxiety, out of upsetness, sadness, anger. It was a mix of all emotions, and I almost was gonna put it up. But I don't know what happened. My mother just entered my office that day out of the blue and said, "Yeah, well, are you okay?" And I'm like, "Yeah, I'm gonna write this, and this is done. I'm gonna leave journalism, XYZ, whatever." And it was to that point, and then I didn't post it. But I still have it saved.
That's great.
When was the last time you were anxious?
Oh.
Let's talk about that.
I'm just an anxious ball all the time. I swear, it only looks like I'm cool and confident. I'm absolutely not. I'm a mess. That's true. That's true, but I do want to take a minute and
Sure,
say
everything.
thank you so much for sharing. That was very kind of you, and thank you for being honest with us on the stage. It means a lot to us.